Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 27th of September 2021, and I scour the internet to try and find you the best games, projects, effects and everything created in Unity. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome work and you have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. So be sure to throw a like on this video because it would really help. So thank you so much for watching. Cool to Play has added a new awesome mini-boss style creature for their top-down shooter. James Bendon has got a cool little adventure game where when it's egg season, you want to run for your life. Chocho-san Studio has had a long journey to their final release on Steam, but here it is. Soaring Pixels has got a new look at their interactive water system, and I don't even know, it must be magic. Project Sky has got one of their mounts which can do heavy damage. Gabriel Aguirre Productions has got a meteor rain effect using Unity's visual effects graph. Ehsan Mohammed has spent 40 hours making a gameplay demo for their football inspired game. Attribution 98 has got a chill builder game with their work in progress for their environment and building. Mayatomo_uni has got a dragon roaring using visual effects graph. Crypto289 has got their KWS water system with loads of advanced features, and this must be witchcraft with the amount of awesome things that this allows you to do. Six Storms has a really cool looking nightclub concept. Omelette and Yog has a destructible tent shader when you shoot your weapon. Developer 10 has a human generator to be able to customize your characters. Squid Shock has a new look at their Metroidvania style platformer. 5x3 has got a demo for 3 years of long hard work for their single player co-op game to rewind time. Hexagon is featuring some cool interactions to be able to take weapons off enemies, steal from holsters and put on hooks. K4 Max has a scope shader in URP using dual render. Divine Studio has new gameplay for their rifle gun and their dragon ride ability. Zero C3R has got a way to throw objects at many other ones as well. Saigo_Studios has been testing their pirate ship cannons, but maybe they're a little too powerful. Fallen Tree Games knows when it's a really close call. User Felic has got their wardrobe that runs away again. So be sure to check out all these fantastic effects, games and otherwise, and I'll put all the links in the description. You can submit to me if you've got any awesome creations and you have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. Be sure to come and support me on Patreon if you like the content that I make, and you can get access to scripts, projects and everything that you can't find anywhere else. Be sure to come and join the Discord if you want to chat. Come and check out my fantastic assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.